Okay, 65.3, the exercise is number one. What I see initially is I see a zero product rule, and the second equation, linear equation, equals 23. There's many ways to do it. The suggestion we're going to make here is to use a zero product rule. So if you think about it, let's go to the blue area because it's going to be all written down for me. So the first thing I would say is 2x minus 3y equals 0. Let me get my highlighter out and point out what I mean by this. So we're saying this is 0. If that's 0, that satisfies the first equation. But the second equation has to be also satisfied, which is 5x plus 4y equals 23. So this is case A. Now I'm going to do case B. By the way, there's two things here, and there's only one thing here. So we're going to get two different things to deal with. All right? Let me get the eraser out. So now we're going to do the other factor, zero product rule, x minus 4y plus 1 equals 0. The other condition needs to be met, though, 5x plus 4y equals 23. So now you have two cases, and they have to be solved individually. Fairly simple to do. This one over here, I'd recommend, let me just go through that with you. I would recommend multiplying the, let's see, the top equation by 4 and the bottom equation by 3. Let me do that for you. You're going to get 8x minus 12y is equal to 0. And then you can get 15x plus 12y is equal to, let's see, 69. Add it together. This is called elimination. You're going to get 23x equals 69, x equals 3. How do you get the y? Plug it in anywhere you like. I plug it in right over here because it's probably pretty easy to deal with that. What do you get over there? You would get 6 minus 3y is equal to 0. Y would have to be equal to 2. So the ordered pair is 3, 2. All right, let's do the other one. Probably equally as easy. And what I'm going to do over here is, get them in standard form first off. So I'm done with case A. I'll erase it. I'm convinced that case A worked out pretty nicely. Let's do case B. Case B, I need to rewrite the system so it's in standard form. And what do you get there? X minus 4y is equal to minus 1, and 5x plus 4y is equal to 23. I'm going to add these together. You get 6x equals 22, and that means x is equal to 22 over 6, which is going to be 11/3. How do you get y? Well, plug it in anywhere you like. All right, I'm going to plug it in. I think this one's probably the easiest one to plug it in. All right, so let's see what you get over there. You get 11/3 minus 4y plus 1 equals 0. Well, that's a pretty easy equation to solve. What do you get? 11/3 plus 1, that's going to be 14/3. I'm going to add 4y to both sides, and now divide by 4y. You get 14, and if you divide by 4, you're really going to get 12 here, and this would equal y. Reduce, that would be 7 over 6. So x is 11/3, and the y is 7/6. Again, this answer is being listed over here. There's also a graph of it. I want to put up the graph is of this equation and this equation, all right? They said the graph's on page 135. It's right over here. I know this can be confusing at times. The point of this is, let me just identify one of the pictures first off. And the picture I want to identify first off is 5x plus 4y equals 23. Oops. I'm trying to identify a line over here. So what do you get? 4y equals minus 5x, plus 23. Divide by 4, minus 5/4 x, plus 23/4. So it's this line over here. So this thing here is this line over here. Now, I know it looks strange to you, and you saw there's two other lines. Yeah, there are. And what are the two other lines? The two other lines are these. Let me identify 2x minus 3y. That's equal to 0. That's all we're doing. What line is that? Is this one right over here. all right? How do I know that? Well, positive slope, it goes through at the point 0, 0. What's the other line going to be? That's going to be x minus 4y plus 1. All right, that's that second guy. That's going to be equal to 0. We're just using a zero product rule there. And let's write this down. So minus 4y equals minus x minus 1. I'm subtracting x, subtracting 1 from both sides. And y equals 1/4 x plus 1/4. And that's this line right here. All right? Whoops, I'm sorry, that's not the line. Made a mistake there. It's this line right over here. All right? Let me outline that for you. That's this line. This is this line. And this is this line over here. What are the points of intersection? Well, we got two of them. One is 3, 2. This is the point 3. Whoops, sorry about that. This is the point 3, 2. And this point over here, that's going to be 11/3, comma, 7/6. All right, that's that point right over here. Okay, so looking at 11/3, you're looking at, it's a little bit below 4, and 7/6, a little bit above 1. It certainly looks good, all right? These are graphs that are drawn by a machine, though, better than we can do by hand. All right, just a quick reminder, my name is Ron Bannon. My email address is Bannon, that's B as in boy, the @ symbol, NNON.US. Why would you like to contact me? Well, I think the main reason would be to improve the document. And if you see something, say something. All right, thank you.